What's up, you guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Today we are going to the Origins night meet. It's gonna be crazy. A bunch of cars are gonna be coming through. It's gonna be packed. The homie Blue Beauties is coming. We're waiting for Nick. We got a bunch of homies here at the gas station. I'm gonna show you guys their cars. So hope you guys do enjoy the video. Let's check out some of the whips. Starting off, we got the GTS. I didn't watch the GTS, guys. It's kind of dirty, but it's all right. It's a night meet. You won't be able to see how dirty it is. But I think for tomorrow's meet, we are gonna wash the car, so it'll be nice and fresh tomorrow. We got a G80 M3 driver grade. We got a GT63S frozen black paint. The homie Nikon's super clean. We got the homie Chris's F80 M3. Sheesh, wait, did he sell the HREs already? Because he's back on the comp wheels. I think he sold his HREs. Such a clean individual F80 M3. And we got the other homie with this F80 M3. We got the oldest style taillights competition. Crazy diffuser. I think we have the same diffuser actually. That's just clean. Check out the homie Nikon's GT63S with the mono block wheels, carbon ceramic brakes. This is probably one of the sickest GT63S out there that you will probably see.
Guys.
Oh, it's mine.
Oh, I love it.
Thank
Wait,
you.
What's a GT?
It's a special model from the M4 lineup.
GTS?
Yeah.
Yours is the nicest one.
Oh,
definitely.
Thank you, appreciate it. Beautiful G80 M3 drive it grade competition. Oh, 2023, so you can see it's got the full screen. Damn, that's just clean. But dude, this GT63S, they're so fast, guys, these things. That shit's sick. That shit looks crazy. Probably one of my favorite cars. I'm gonna check it out. Let's see if we can open it real quick. I think this one has red interior or black interior. It's got black with the yellow stripes, yellow seat belts, carbon and Alcantara steering wheel. I'm telling you, it's like one of the most fully loaded GT63S's out there. Clean F80 with the LCI headlights too. I need those headlights, guys. Yeah.
I have a video. They let me like start it up. You never like see these.
Yeah, the GT. Yeah, they're pretty hard to find. Pretty hard to come across. Sheesh. It is active out here today, guys. Oh, damn, the GT is getting a lot of love today. Look who it is, guys. Look who made it. Sheesh. Rich. In the J's, damn. Big ballin'. Dang, we putting on spoilers right now?
I got mine too.
Big homie Nick pulling up. Yeah, bro, yes. There you go. Dude, that shit looks sick.
That shit looks sick. Okay, wait, that actually does look good.
That is pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie.
That actually does look good.
What kind of spoiler is that? It looks like almost like the CS style, no?
It is the CS style.
Oh shit, that shit is sick. Bro, there's like a little kid yelling somewhere, but I can't fucking see him.
Yeah!
You know what I just realized, guys? I'm the only coupe here. They all got 4 doors. I'm the only 2-door here. Uh-oh. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. We are now on into the meet, guys. Got the homie Turn on fast, guys. Here we go. It's clean. Dude, the G80s are so fast, guys. It's crazy. Bro, these guys' cars sound like gunshots. My God. Sheesh. Alright, guys. It's already burnt out. And we're not even there yet. Look at that. It's already burnt. I don't get it.
They asked me to, bro.
Alright, guys. So the location got moved to somewhere in downtown. Bro, I ain't trying to go that far. Sheesh. The big homie David. And the Lamskis. Damn. Literally one of the sickest Huracans out there, guys. My favorite Huracan. Factory paint blue Performante Spider with like all the carbon fender, the lid. That shit looks so sick. Look at that. Forged carbon.
exhaust. Hold on, put my lift down. You guys are all recording with the lift up and shit. Hold on. Okay, listen, ready?
What do you do? Wait.
No, it's nothing cool, but...
Oh, wait.
Okay, go back to the exhaust. Okay.
It's cool. I was like, little like. That's closed?
That's closed. Sport? Sport. Can't go wrong with a V10, bro. Now it's a Corsa.
Is it the sport mode?
The homie Peter pulled up with his CTSV wagon. Sheesh, my boy ain't playing around. Look at that tire setup though. That's
Pushing power.
crazy. Yeah, that's pushing power right there. Pushing P.
Nah, that's small.
The homie Daniel pulled up with a G80. Sheesh.
That's the perfect V8.
Probably one of the cleanest G80s out there, guys. It's got BBSs on there. The homies? That shit is super clean. On BBS LMs, red, lowered, all the carbon on there. That shit is super nice. That is clean. All the carbon on the grill, the lip. Oh my gosh, that thing looks insane. It is currently the next day and we met up with the homie Enrique. Beautiful G80 M3. I was supposed to go to the car meet today with Nick. There was a car meet earlier. There was the it was the Fresh Kicks meet, but I couldn't wake up on time for that. So, but it looked like a really good meet. I know I probably missed out on that meet. It looked packed. It looks crazy, but I couldn't wake up, guys. But we got the homie Enrique. Beautiful G80 M3. Sheesh, with all the orange that we're matching today, low-key. We got the chrome hearts on today. Sheesh. And then we also got my GTS, of course. And then we got the homie Danny with his M2 on TEs. Really, really clean M2. It's got the GTS hood too. Super nice.
For me,
looks really good.
The front is
PPF, no?
Got the
It's
clear
just
taillights, clear taillights.
There you go.
Look at the plate. Why try? Big homie David pulled up on us.
Hey, Kev!
Hey,
This guy
bro.
behind doesn't like me, bro.
I'm gonna need that sweater, bro.
Sweater.
That's just so sick. McLaren 755
Look at this BMW.
Bro, I'm telling Kevin, he's wearing my jacket. I'm supposed to be wearing the jacket.
LT. Orange.
Bro, it was fucking raining over here.
I know.
But you know what, guys? This is the benefit of that
Look at the
ceramic
seats, guys.
coating.
Oh my gosh, dude, that thing is
had ceramic coating, but
insane.
it was already done before I bought it, and it rained a lot, like really hard.
Carbon fenders.
Up and everything.
That shit's fire, dude. Doors go up. What else do you want? We need a supercar, guys, ASAP. I mean, not a 765, but maybe like a 570S, 600 LT, 720S maybe. Huracan. This one has the Senna seats too. Look at the seats. That shit is crazy, yo. That interior is just insane.
Big Kev, Life with KG, guys. If you're not subscribed to the channel, if you haven't liked and hit that, tap that like button, you're on the wrong page, baby. You're on the wrong page.
Let them know, David.
That's it.
All right, guys, we are gonna roll out. We got the homies with us, ready to go.
We're gonna make a left.
G80 or McLaren? Alright guys, pulled up to this night meet. Beautiful F80 M3. As you can see, it's kind of getting packed. I'm vlogging off my phone because my camera has died, but we're in the GTS. We got the homie David with us. Hopefully it's cracking tonight. It's raining, guys. I don't know if you guys can see, but look at the headlights. It's raining out here. Sheesh! Rev it, rev it, rev it. Look at the stars in that movie. Oh, yeah, he's... Bro, is that this bumper? What the fuck? Bro, these are crazy, Oh, this was just casually chilling up there. What the fuck?
I literally thought that was you walking by the car and I was like, oh! I saw him up here. Oh, yeah, bro, I did too, bro. Look, the fucking hood went here. You want me to hit it? Oh, it's gonna burn you!
Oh my gosh,
Hey,
guys.
back up!
Give lifewithkg some space. Lifewithkg some space. Subscribe.
Sorry about that. Oh, big dog. No, for sure. Thank you.
Oh my god, Andre's funny, bro.
No, that's cool. Hey, they like cars too. Come on.